Right, so today we're going to be rounding to multiple units. It's the same thing that we did for the other last couple of lessons and videos. So here it says that I have to to round this number, which is 935,292 to the nearest 100,000 and then to the nearest 10,000. And then we're going to be talking about what changes do we notice about the number when we're rounding to smaller and smaller units. So first off, we said that we would rewrite the number just so that we are able to identify each digit. So 935,292. If we're rounding to the nearest 100,000, the digit in the 100,000 place is the digit 9. The digit next door is 3. 3 would be going up or down on a roller coaster. Well, 3 is going down on a roller coaster. So that means the other numbers would be going down as well, making this number rounded to the nearest 100,000, 900,000. I think that that number obviously got smaller. So even if we were to think about this as a real life scenario, we wouldn't have enough materials for everyone if we rounded it to the nearest 100,000 because 35,229 people wouldn't receive a medal or a t-shirt, which are some problems that you're going to see with this problem set. Next, we're going to round that same number, which is 935,292. And this time we're going to round it to the nearest 10,000 spot. So the last time we did this, the number was 100,000. It was 900,000. This time, the number we're going to round is the 3, which is in the 10,000 spot. That means the number 5 is what we're going to circle. Well, 5 is going up on a roller coaster. So we're going to add one more to 3 only, and the other digits now become 0, making our number 940,000. Let's think about it. With the original number, which I'm about to write, with the original number, if we rounded to the nearest 100,000 or 10,000, which number round would give us enough units for everyone? Well, I believe that the rounding to the nearest 10,000 would give us enough for everyone because we would have extra left. We know that if we rounded to the nearest 100,000, that all of the other digits become 0, and then 900,000 would leave 35,000 out. Whereas if we round to the nearest 10,000, which is a smaller unit, we will have more items to pass out and left over because there's a difference. 940,000 is bigger than 935,000. So rounding, when we need enough units, we have to make sure that we're looking in the 100,000s place and the 10,000s place and see which number really would give us enough for everyone. This is a number you will try. Here is a word problem. So in 2012, there are 935,292 visitors to the White House. And it says we have to round to the nearest 10,000. 935,292. Round to the nearest 10,000. Let's draw a roller coaster. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're going down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. It's going up. So we see that 5 is going up on a roller coaster, so we're just going to add 1 plus 1 to the 3, making this 940,000. So if we were to think about this in real life and we had to hand out a booklet thanking people for coming to the White House or with information, if we order 940,000 books, we will have enough for everyone. But if we think about it like the last problem and we rounded it to the nearest 100,000, we will have less books and someone will go home without one. Here, we're going to have to choose a unit and talk about why. So we have 2,837 students who attend Lincoln Elementary School. How many chairs will we need for every student to have a seat? First, it says to round to the nearest 10. So again, if you write this number out, we're going to find out what digit is in the tens place. And the digit in the tens place is 3. So 7 is what we're going to round. 7 is going up on the roller coaster. So we just have to add 1 more to 3, making this, and rewrite the digit, making this 2,840. We will have enough chairs for everyone if we round it to the nearest 10. We will actually have some left over because 37 to 40, we will have extra. Let's this time round it to the nearest 100. I'm going to rewrite the number in burgundy. And the digit in the hundreds place is 8. The digit next door is 3. 3 goes down on the roller coaster, making this number 2,800. Well, we will have 37 less seats. So some students would not have a seat. I don't think we should round it to the nearest 100, but let's try to round it to the nearest 1,000. The digit in the thousands place is 2. The digit next door is 8. 8 is going up on the roller coaster. So I'm going to add 1 more to the 1,000, and the other digits now become 0. If we were to round this to the nearest 1,000, we would make this 3,000. Well, 3,000 is way more seats than we need. So which number or how should we round to the nearest value to get enough seats for everyone? I would round to the nearest 10. I would round to the nearest 10 because I know that we would have 3 extra seats for our students to sit down. When we round to the nearest 100, we lost seats. We will have 37 students that will be standing up. If we round to the nearest 1,000 in this case, we would get 3,000, which would be almost 200 more seats than we need. So 1,000 is also an option, but I think our best choice would be rounding to the nearest 10.